This is the War Brief Daily for May 18, covering the Iran and wider Middle East theater. Tonight we are tracking four major developments: a confirmed drone strike on a nuclear power plant in the UAE, collapsed U.S.-Iran nuclear negotiations, a new milestone in the Strait of Hormuz naval blockade, and a major intelligence reveal: secret Israeli military outposts inside Iraq. First, the Barakah nuclear power plant, Abu Dhabi. This is confirmed. On May 17th, 3 drones targeted the UAE's Barakah facility. UAE air defenses intercepted 2. The third struck an electrical generator and triggered a fire. The IAEA confirmed radiation levels remain normal, no casualties. What makes this operationally significant is the approach vector. The drones came from the west. The UAE's western neighbor is Saudi Arabia, not Iran. That is not an accident. Iran ran this same misdirection tactic during the 2019 Abqaiq attack on Saudi oil infrastructure. IRGC-affiliated media immediately blamed Saudi Arabia for Barakah, a coordinated information operation designed to fracture Gulf coalition cohesion. Iran struck a civilian nuclear energy asset and simultaneously ran cover. Source base: UAE Ministry of Defense official statement, IAEA, ISW CTP AEI, May 17th special report. Second, U.S.-Iran negotiations. Confirmed, hard impasse. Washington's 5 conditions include physical transfer of 400 kilograms of enriched uranium, limiting Iran to 1 operational nuclear facility, and no guarantees against future U.S. or Israeli military action. Iran's counter: end the war, lift all sanctions, and formally recognize Iranian sovereignty over the Strait of Hormuz before any talks begin. Senior IRGC commander Major General Jafari made that position explicit on May 11. Trump warned May 17 that Iran faces a very bad time and that the clock is ticking. ISW assesses Iran is pursuing precondition maximalism. These positions are not close. Third, the Strait of Hormuz. U.S. Central Command confirmed 81 commercial vessels redirected and 4 disabled since the naval blockade began April 13th, now entering week 5. Iran is now planning to impose transit tolls on commercial shipping through the strait, framing it as sovereign control. No actor has done this through an international strait in the modern era. Separately, CNN reported Iran is exploring leverage over the subsea internet cables running beneath Hormuz, roughly 17 major lines carrying global communications. That is still emerging and operationally unconfirmed. Fourth, Israel's secret outposts in Iraq. The New York Times reported May 17th that Israel built 2 clandestine military outposts in the Iraqi desert in late 2024. The first, near Al-Nuqayb in Anbar province, is confirmed by 2 regional officials. Used for air support, refueling, medical staging, and search and rescue during the June 2025 conflict. A second outpost was confirmed by 2 Iraqi officials, but its location and current status remain unknown. Credible, still developing. The U.S. also reportedly pressured Iraq to shut down its own radar systems during both operations. One additional development: Iranian Parliament Speaker Mohammad Bagher Ghalibaf, a former IRGC commander, has been appointed Iran's special representative for China. Sending a military hardliner to Beijing signals Iran wants a security-level conversation. This came days after Trump's own China trip. Deliberate countermove. Here is what to watch next. Monitor whether Iran formally claims the Barakah strike or holds its deniability posture, and watch for Gulf coalition strain as IRGC information operations continue. Watch whether Iran formalizes the Hormuz toll system and how CENTCOM responds. Track Trump's next public deadline on Iran. Watch for the second Iraqi outpost location. And if Iran moves against subsea cable infrastructure, it opens an escalation domain with no established rules of engagement. That is your War Brief Daily for May 18th, 2026.